Good morning, beautiful people. The first quarter of the year is down. That was fast.
Was very fast.
For those who don't know, every April, Realtors commemorate the passage of the Fair Housing Act of 1968 and reflect on housing discrimination and segregation, past and present.
Well, now I know.
NAR has shared the 2024 Fair Housing Toolkit as a resource for all Realtors to use. We will have the link in the description below.
You are the best.
Right under that, you'll find a link to the RSC Board of Directors application. The deadline to apply is Friday, April 19th at 5 p.m. If you aren't interested in joining yourself, send it to someone you would love to see take this on. Give it a shot. It's free to apply.
Free's good. We like free.
Speaking of free things, the open house weekend is right around the corner. This is a great time to encourage sellers to open their homes to potential buyers. We will be advertising here soon, so we hope to see some of your clients' homes on the open house tab soon.
Oh, you bet.
Well, that's all I have for this Monday memo. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.